Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Miss Me. For those of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette, and here on our channel, if you want to look and feel beautiful, keep up with all the beauty community news and worldwide news, know about the latest fashion trends, and of course live a fun and healthy lifestyle, then please consider hitting that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. For those of you who've been watching me for a while, thank you so much. I really do appreciate the engagement and all the comments that you guys leave on my videos. If you haven't checked out my previous video, I'll put a link to it in the cards right here. I reviewed one of the contacts that I'm going to show you guys in my video here, so check it out so you can get an in-depth review of the contact lenses that I talked about and what I thought about them. But let's get into all the stuff that I received in July. Okay, so let's get into the first thing that I received from a company called Vanity Planet. I've partnered with them way back in the past when I first reached 1,000 subscribers, so they're always near and dear to my heart. They sent me two items, the first one being this Blend Party Oval Makeup Brush Set. Looks like this. I'll show you guys close-ups of everything that I got. And it is a 10 versatile brush set. It's 100% vegan and cruelty free. The brushes are compact, synthetic, which feel great, hold their shape, and conserve makeup. They're durable and flexible handles deliver precise, natural looking application. So I am super excited to try this out. I haven't tried it out yet, so I kind of feel bad, but I'm going to definitely do a video on it. If you guys want me to do a video showing how to use this brush set, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Here is how the brushes look up close. It comes with a little pamphlet and it says embrace your beauty. So that was from Vanity Planet. They also were sweet enough to give me a discount code, which I will put up here on the screen if you are interested in this 10-piece brush set from them. I love all of Vanity Planet's brushes and they are super affordable, and with that discount code it lets you get 70% off the brush set. So super great, super affordable. Now let's move on to the next thing that they sent me. They also sent me this, which is the Vanity Planet vibrating flat iron. I was like, oh, when I saw this, I'm super interested to try this out. It says from swerve to straight, style your hair your way. Vibe, the professional vibrating flat iron, features tourmaline ceramic coated plates for frictionless styling and maximum shine. It combines heat and vibration for easy styling. The ceramic coated plates lock in moisture. Negative ion technology gives maximum shine, and a 360 tangle-free swivel cord, which is perfect for thick, coarse, or curly hair types. This is also cruelty-free. It easily and quickly styles your hair, locks in moisture, and it reduces pulling. So here's how it looks up close. I am super excited to try it out. I love flat irons and I think I'm due for a new one, so this will definitely help me out, of course, when I love to straighten my hair. And so they also gave me a coupon code for that, so I will put it up on the screen right here as well as in the description box down below, and I will pin a comment in the comment section with all of the discount codes. This vibrating flat iron, it's also going to give you some money off, about 70% off. So here's the code, and now let's move on to the next set of items that I got, which is for skincare. Now, I already did a video about this charcoal clay healing mask from Natural Rapids. It looks like this. And I also got this retinal moisturizer from RicoBeauty Essentials. It's anti-aging, hydrating, and brightening. It has hyaluronic acid, jojoba oil, vitamin E, green tea, and active retinol in the amount of 2.5%. So I got these two things. I already did a video about this healing mask. I'll also link it in the cards right here for you to check it out, but I'll show you again, of course, what it looks like, as well as this RicoBeauty Essentials moisturizer. I love retinol moisturizers, especially I like using them in the evening because it's not too harsh on the skin, and the percentage is very, very low, 2.5%, but it's still effective enough. So I'm gonna definitely start using it. It's supposed to brighten and hydrate the skin at night before I go to bed. And I will let you guys know in a future video what I think about this moisturizer. And you guys know already how much I love this mask. I use it 1 to 2 times a week, and I already love it. I have done a whole video on it. I'll also link it in the description box down below, up here, and I will link everything, of course, in the description or the comment section. So now let's get into brow products. So I love Influenster. I have received a few products from them by now, and so they sent me this new Hourglass eyebrow duo. It is a brow shaping gel, looks like this. And there's also the brow micro sculpting pencil, looks like this. Here's how they look up close. And I have so many brow products, so that's why I haven't used these yet, but I'm pretty sure Hourglass is a really, really good cosmetics company. It's kind of on the higher end side, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love these products, so I'm pretty sure there ain't gonna be no problem. So as soon as I'm done using the brow products I already have, I'm definitely gonna get into using these and let you guys know. I'm probably gonna do an updated brow routine. If you guys want me to do that, make sure you definitely let me know in the comment section down below. If you want to see a flat iron routine, which I've done in the past, but if you want to see it with the Vanity Planet vibrating flat iron, definitely let me know as well. Now let's get into the 2 funnest packages that I received, one of which I already told you guys about. The TTDEYE Seeing Different contact lenses. They sent me 4. I've done a video on the HD brownness contacts. I'll link that up here for you to check it out. And they also sent me 4 in total. I reviewed 1, so I am wearing a pair, which I'm going to review for you guys very soon. And I'm very surprised about them, but I'll let you guys know in a review that I have coming up really, really quickly. This is the set that they sent me. It was really, really sweet of them to reach out to me, as well as they sent me a coupon code in case you guys are interested in checking out any and all of their contact lenses. I'll put it up on the screen right here, as well as in the description box and pinned in the comment section below. Now the next thing I got, I can't tell you guys, so I'm gonna try and cover it so that you guys don't see. I can't tell you guys what company this is yet because I haven't worn the lenses or reviewed them yet, but I am gonna review them and wear them shortly, just so I can give you guys a proper review. You guys know how I do my reviews. And so they also sent me 2 pairs of lenses with 2 sets of lens cases, which is really sweet, and a bunch of other goodies. Here is how it looks, but I can't let you guys see the brand because I haven't used them yet. So as soon as I use them, I'll definitely let you know my honest thoughts and opinions on the lenses. If you aren't following me on Instagram, here's my Instagram handle. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram, because that's where I post all of my makeup looks with the contacts pretty much that I love to wear. And so that's where I post them at. So make sure you check me out on Instagram, as well as all my other socials. I usually put them through all my videos and in the description box down below. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I really, really do appreciate it. Don't forget to consider subscribing. We are almost there to 1,600, so I'm super excited. Thank you all so much. And of course, leave me a comment down below letting me know which of these beautiful things interested you, even though I know what you all are pretty much gonna say. So I will see you all in the next video. Check you out soon. Bye. Don't forget to check out my previous video here and the playlist, as well as the video at the end. See you soon.